JW with Jeep Monkey. So I got the leaf springs in. I ordered them from O'Reilly's. So I got the Jeep already jacked up, and the wheels. I'm going to take the tires off because it'll be easier to get to a lot of the bolts. So yeah, so that's the plan. I did get new bolts. These look like they fit pretty well, and I had to go to Lowe's and get grade 8 bolts. I don't really like that. Oh well, they'll do for now, as long as I don't do any major off-roading, which this is pretty much still stock, so I don't have to worry about that, I guess. Day 2. Alright, so what we accomplished last night. These front and rear bolts are such a pain. Not a lot of room to move like a breaker bar and stuff in here, but like that one, that bolt right there, and the one up in there. But I got the new spring in, all the bolts tightened. I haven't put the sway bar on it yet, but I just mainly wanted to get these in place so I could work on the other side. Got the new U-bolts in there. I gotta look up the Titan or the torque specs for it. One thing that might be contributing to my problem is this right here. See, I can move it with just like one finger. The shock. So those are bad. Thankfully, in the lift kit I plan on getting for this, it comes with shocks, so we'll be good on that front. And also, this, I don't know what this piece is called. It comes down to get the leaf spring, but it's very rusty. But that comes with the lift kit as well, so no issues there. It'll last till I get the lift kit in. So on this side, we got these two bolts are loose. This one's almost ready to come out, and then that one still tight, still a pain. Ran out of light last night, so. But yeah, I gotta disconnect the shock. I imagine this one's bad too. But I don't want to put too much stress on these brakes and stuff. So last thing I need is to break a doggone brake line. Haha, break a brake line. No pun intended. Alright, so this is looking like day 3. Actually 2.5. We'll call it 2.5. Because I didn't get to work on it very long in day 2. But I did get these in today. So I started investing into an Instagram account. So if you guys want to follow, just go to that. And I post a lot of pictures before I even put them on video, so I got one on my toolbox too. So awesome. Now I need to get one for YouTube. That'll be in the future. But let's finish these springs up. Hopefully I can get it done tonight. So that way I can start driving this around. Alright, so this happened. The risk you take working on older cars. Unfortunately though, I almost had that cut. Unfortunately, the nut broke too in there. Probably when I was trying to pound the leaf spring out. So, yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. This is where a weld machine would come in handy.